I'm making another rakia recipe. So I have in here the figs and quince from my autumn rakia that has been drained of the rakia, and it's just the soaked fruit. I've added apples, some beautiful green onion, some beautiful leeks that I found at the market today, and a apple. This is a Fuji apple, which is really sweet, but it's also got a great tartness, so it's gonna be really nice that way. I strained some of the rakia, added paprika, some salt, pepper, and sugar. I would also use honey. This is gonna top the pork that I'm doing, and I brought him soaking in here in some lemon, kill off any bacteria, and also give him a nice flavor. I added in some sausage, some spicy sausage. I added some baby Swiss chard, and now I'm just gonna let this cool for a little bit. It's all nice and caramelized. The leeks, onions, and the rakia figs and quince have really come together. So I'm gonna let this cool a little bit, and then I'm gonna stuff the pork here that's marinating with the mixture, and then I'm going to be covering it with the fat. That way it gets a nice crispiness on the outside. So here's the final result. I covered it with some fat. It's got a bit of fat on the outside, so it'll make it nice and crispy, but the fat also keeps the stuffing inside. It's a pretty thick piece of pork, which is nice because it's going to get a lot of that flavor in there, but not too thick. It's nice and small, enough for 3 people, because I have someone coming for lunch, and then I'll have some for leftovers for a friend to try tomorrow. And then I've got more of this stuffing here, and I'm thinking I'm gonna add some potatoes, some more Swiss chard, and a couple of other things maybe, and make this into the side dish, but I haven't decided as yet.